Welcome back, guys! TrustedShoppingGuide.com, and today we are in the kitchen. In this video, we'll be sharing with you our best range hoods. At this point, we're going to give you a little bit of a side-eye if you haven't heard of range hoods yet. This device should purge the room of heat, oil, smoke, and that fishy smell in the air after you've finished preparing your baked salmon and oysters. With a long list of models out there, you should be careful when picking the right one for your motif and kitchen capacity. After all, you don't want something disrupting your timeless kitchen, don't you? In this video, we tested the 5 best models out there. To help you further, there are timestamps and direct links to all the products in the description below. Be sure to visit our website at TrustedShoppingGuide.com for more of our research in the kitchen, or alternatively, subscribe to this channel for regular updates. The 5th range hood in our list is the Robam A671, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. If you're in the hunt for a budget-friendly hood that can help you banish smoke, oil, and steam from your cooking area, we've got you covered. Introducing the No Frills Hood by Robam, which boasts infrared technology that enables you to control the fan hands-free by simply waving. Whether you want to mount it on your wall or fit it inside your cabinet, this model is sure to add a sleek and modern look to your kitchen. The A672 also features an energy-saving LED light system, a responsive touchscreen, and a mesh filter that can deodorize your cooking space and be easily cleaned in the dishwasher. And with its powerful motor and turbo setting, you can whip up stir-fried tofu or french fries without worrying about smoke or fumes filling up your kitchen. Now, while this unit has a lot of great features, it's worth noting that the light doesn't fully illuminate the entire hood. Nonetheless, it's still a fantastic option for those who want a reliable and functional hood at an affordable price point. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people who like frying stuff a lot, since this one clears out air fast. The 4th range hood in our list is the Broan-NuTone 413604, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 4-batch rating. Another installment of excellent options that don't break the bank, we have this model from Broan. This ductless under-cabinet unit employs easily changeable charcoal filters, which naturally sip out the heavy odor from a variety of meals. To maximize the deodorizing function, it includes a 2-speed motor that works to draw air into the filter, so you won't be left with a kitchen that looks like a stage with a smoke machine. It even has incandescent lighting and separate controls for the lights and fans. Particularly, it has a protected lamp lens that can accommodate a 75-watt bulb that evenly distributes light over the cooktop. Plus, you can select it in 5 finishes, including stainless steel, bark, bisque, black, and white, so you can match different types of decor. However, some users find it a bit difficult to mount. In this case, we recommend getting professionals to install it, or at least borrow a professional toolbox if you're going to DIY. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for anyone who has a hard time letting air out quickly, as this one reduces the clearing time with its motor. The 3rd range hood in our list is the FOTILE Pixie Air UQS3001, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. With FOTILE's unique Wisp Power aerodynamic technology listed at 350 in maximum static pressure and as quiet as 37 decibels, the unit can increase its suction power to 800 cubic feet per meter while using less energy, easily covering 6 square feet or a stovetop with 4 to 6 burners. Aside from that, the Pixie Air range hood will automatically detect dangerous organic vapors or unpleasant odors and vent them outside. It's even built with rust, grease, and stain-resistant food-grade steel. As for cleaning, the detachable capture shield can be easily removed and cleaned in the dishwasher, making maintenance a breeze. Moreover, FOTILE has added an innovative dual-level LED illumination with 600 lux of gentle, brilliant light that illuminates your cooking area, enhancing the aesthetic appeal of your food. Despite being stainless though, the surface is not scratch-resistant, so be careful while installing it. The Trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for home enthusiasts who are adamant about keeping the quality of air in the home, since this model is convertible and can be connected with the HVAC system. The 2nd range hood in our list is the COSMO COS63175S, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-batch rating. COSMO offers this stunning high-end range hood at an affordable cost, given that it's made with the most advanced technology and care. You can anticipate cooking and cleaning experiences that'll simplify your life, spruce up your kitchen, and safeguard your health. We love how the 380 cubic feet per meter performance easily eliminates flavors and odors for a clean kitchen, while the vents with ducts blow the air outdoors and away from your house. Under optimal circumstances, the rigid ducting can produce noise levels as low as 45 decibels at the lowest fan speed, while the flexible ducting is reliable for easy installation. On top of that, the range hood's brilliant high-lumen lighting is provided by durable, energy-efficient 2-watt LEDs for enhanced nighttime visibility. You might not be able to go through the installation process using the included manual though, since the instructions are a bit unclear, so check out some installation videos before getting started. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for people who are looking for ways to reduce energy costs, as this unit has easy-to-replace filters instead of replaceable yet expensive parts. The best range hood in our list is the Hauslane Chef Series PS18, which TrustedShoppingGuide.com has awarded a 5-badge rating. This stylish stainless steel heavy-duty range hood, with its practical digital screen and baffle filters, will fit in nicely and last the test of time, whether you're updating equipment or redesigning your entire kitchen. Just pick from the stainless steel, matte black, or matte white. Let's dive deeper into this powerful kitchen appliance. The 2700 Kelvin light color creates a welcoming and warm atmosphere in your kitchen, but it's not set in stone. You can change it to match your kitchen's unique lighting scheme. The adaptable ventilation and suction system work together seamlessly to protect you and your family from harmful substances that may be released during high heat and high smoke cooking techniques like boiling, steaming, poaching, braising, frying, searing, and sauteing. And get this, you have full control over the suction and noise levels with the 6-speed settings. So if you're cooking up something that's going to require a bit more power, no worries, just crank up the suction level. And when it comes time to clean, the stainless steel baffle filters can be easily removed and cleaned in the dishwasher. Something worth noting is that the electrical schematic is a block diagram rather than a genuine schematic, and there are no illustrations for exploded component drawings or particular part numbers, so it might be best to call your handyman to install this one. The trusted Shopping Guide team recommends this for someone who wants to get creative with the way they clear out air, since this model has a 3-way vent system. And there you have it, folks, our best range hoods, which got our team at TrustedShoppingGuide.com excited this year. If you have any contenders for a next range hood roundup that you would like our team to test, do drop them in the comments section below, and we'll be sure to assess them for a next update. If you like this video and it helps you in any way, please do give it a like and hit the subscribe button so that you can stay connected and updated with all of our research into everything that makes our kitchens great. We look forward to seeing you at TrustedShoppingGuide.com again soon.